Hey Strikers, back with another one. Thank you for tuning in. All is appreciated. This video will be showcasing 3 different EDC in a subcompact form and their holsters. Let's get into it. Before we go any further, all 3 firearms are safe and clear, although we do have 1, 2, and 3 magazines that will be showcased in this video with live ammo inside. So let's get into it. The first firearm in the We the People light bearing holster, Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro, FDE in black colorway. This particular holster is set up for the TLR 7 sub. Excellent option. The tension on this firearm and holster is amazing. I am nowhere affiliated with this company, but I do have about 6 to 7 holsters because they're pretty good in my eyes. So, Springfield Hellcat Pro. Right now, 15-round magazine. She is clear. She is safe. This particular firearm needs to get more talk. It's an excellent option for EDC. It's small. It's a little snappy, but you can manage the recoil. The trigger on this thing is amazing. This optic came with this firearm. And I had somebody in the comments on a previous video tell me that I needed to upgrade it. Listen, this thing works. It was already sighted before I purchased it, and they sent out the target that they shot at the factory, which was dead on the money. So it was already zeroed in when I purchased the firearm. So pretty awesome. Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro. All right, moving along. The next 2 firearms are basically going to be a 43X clone. The first right here in a outer waist belt, We the People holster. Tension on this thing is amazing as well, as you can see. This firearm is clear, but we're going to drop that down for you. As you can see right here, shield arms, 15-rounder. In the SCT 43 SC build. This is ported. Windows 3, 1 at the top to coincide with the 6 ports, as you can see in the barrel. I had a Glock night sight on there, but that thing has been cooked. It's not affecting anything. I still can see my target. All right, we have Glock night sights, and we have a Siley optic on here, and as you can see, it has a little fiber rods there as a co-witness. Decent setup. I upgraded this trigger. This is a Overwatch Precision trigger. This is the polydat trigger. This is not the aluminum flat face trigger. This is a polymer version. Another excellent option for subcompact carry, excuse me. Glock OEM magazine with the plus 3 or 4 base plate on here, so it gives you 14 plus 1 in the head, 15 rounds. If you want to go with a more rounds for your mags, if you don't necessarily like the low profile look. Decent setup. I like the ported barrel on this one. It's pretty awesome. Where are you at? There you go. Decent setup. Moving along. All right. Last but not least, I've featured this firearm in a few videos. This is a We the People holster in a waist belt, light bearing, set up for the... all three of these holsters are light bearing, and they're all set up for the same light, which is the Streamlight TLR 7 sub, which we have here. And whatever firearm I choose to carry, I just alternate with the light. I'm not buying, not unless I hit a lick. And by hitting a lick, that means come up on some extra money for those who do not know the definition of that. It is nothing, in the criminal world. I know some of you hear some of these words that are used out here on the web and think that it's connected to illegal activities, but it's not. Moving along. PSA micro dagger, fully decked out. Another Siley optic on here. Excellent option. Same type of setup as the last one. Timney trigger. Right now we have the 10 rounds with a base plate on here, just as a +0. 10 rounds +1, so you have 11 on the low pro tip. And if you want to go for more rounds, you always have the 15 round magazine with the +4 or 5 base plate. So you're more than safe. More than safe. Out of all three, I'll be honest, the Hellcat in this micro dagger build is probably my favorite out of the subcompact setups that I have. Decent. Chameleon barrel. Got the 10 nitrate. Black and purple. Nice little jump. Chime in the comments. They're always open for questions or criticism. Make sure it's constructive. Of course, there's always going to be some filthy animals in the comments with negative comments. Not letting that stop me. We're keeping it rolling. But 3 different subcompact setups. SCT 43 SC, which is basically a 43X clone. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Awesome. PSA micro dagger. Stay blessed, y'all. Thank you for watching. Until next time.